Hi, it's me Vamp, and today I'll be showing you guys how to screen record using your iPhone or presumably iPad as well. It's actually fairly simple. Okay, so you go to settings, and then once you go to settings, go to Control Center. Go to Custom Controls. Scroll down here, you will see screen recording. Hit plus to add. I already have it here, so I can't re-add it. And then you're going to swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone. If it's an iPad, you should be able to swipe down at the top left-hand corner if it's an older iPad. And then you'll see the screen record app there. Mine is blinking because I'm currently making this recording. And then simply what you do is you long press to enable the microphone, but to just screen record, you just tap it and it will say 3, 2, 1. Then it will start your screen record. After you're done, you'll just tap this blinking red thing, this red thing bar at the top.